This tutorial shows you how to activate and set up Google Assistant on your Android device. First, open the Settings application on your Android device. Next, you'll be taken to the main Settings menu with various options. Following that, scroll down and tap on Google to access Google Settings. Now, tap on Settings for Google Apps to expand more options. Moving forward, tap on Search, Assistant, and Voice from the list. Afterwards, tap on Google Assistant to access Assistant settings. In addition to that, you'll see different tabs and options for customizing Assistant. Once you're on the Assistant page, tap on General Settings. Subsequently, look for the toggle switch next to Google Assistant. Moreover, tap on the toggle to turn on Google Assistant if it's currently off. Afterwards, you may need to grant certain permissions for Assistant to work properly. Then, tap on Allow or Accept when prompted to give necessary permissions. Within this section, you can also set up voice activation by saying Hey Google. Alternatively, go back and tap on Hey Google and Voice Match. Once you're on this page, toggle on Hey Google to enable voice activation. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to train Assistant to recognize your voice. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you enable Google Assistant on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.